Genders of the Railroad, Part 1, Big Time Trouble. Summertime is the busiest time of the year for the trains in North America. The MBTA commuter train is a year-round train that takes people from place to place to work, school, or shopping. Fatu's job is to pull the Icy Comet train from Knapford to Killabin in the yard in the big city year-round. And she passes other trains that are going in the opposite direction. Mr. Cakesture's engines are proud to pull freight cars and coaches while they get their work done. And because of that, they are really useful. One afternoon in the rail yard, Sir Topham Hatt and Mr. Cakesture had an important job for their engines. Today, you two, he said, I'd like both of you to show off your items. And Tom, you too, in my engine, Sir Topham Hatt said, you should show off my items too. Yes, sir, puffed Thomas. A big blue engine's important, said Gordon. Then there was a loud noise. What was that? Bellowed Percy. He looked behind. It was Poison 12. She was evil. I'm gonna take all your freight cars and coaches for good! She laughed. Poison 12 took my mail cars! Snapped Percy. She's evil! She took Annie and Clarabelle! Puffed Thomas. This is outrageous! Puffed Sam. All our items are stolen! I'm never gonna pull the express now! Gordon said. I'm gonna use Anfleet cars! And I'm never gonna pull my boxcars again! Snapped James. A red engine would ruin that! Don't worry, everyone, said Mr. Cakester. We'll have our jobs back soon. Thank you, sir, puffed Dwee. But what will I do without Annie and Clarabelle? Asked Thomas. You can pull red coaches instead, said Leo. Bust my buffers, puffed Percy. I'm never gonna do all those jobs at once, puffed James. A few minutes later, Becky and Thomas steamed into the rail yard to collect a load of pipes for the construction, but there ahead was Diesel 10. He bumped Becky and pushed her out of the way. There you are, little puffballs! Diesel 10 said. Pitchy loaded the pipes! Ha ha ha! Is that Diesel 10? Asked Becky. Yes, Becky, it is! Said Thomas. He's also evil! Diesel 10 was cross. I'm gonna put you in a big-time timeout in jail, he laughed. Thomas and Becky buffered up to the freight cars of pipes. And the troublesome trucks were being troublesome. Ha ha! Jail is a place for a big-time timeout. Ha 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 ha! Ha ha! You're not gonna do that ever! Ha ha! Diesel 10 can shunt us! He's a big puffball! Diesel 10, don't laugh! It's not funny! Roared Diesel 10, and he biffed the troublesome trucks hard! And they bashed crashed into each other and went right into the buffers. They laughed. We're Woody Woodpecker! Goodbye, Dieselton! Jail is not something to laugh about, snapped Dieselton, and the troublesome trucks laughed a lot. But Becky and Thomas didn't know. They were just happy getting their work done. I'm feeling pleased with myself, said Becky. I am too, puffed Thomas. To be continued.